Whoa! What is that? It is an egg! This is the best thing I ever found! Who left it here? Is it lost? I cannot leave it alone. I will keep it safe. Oh my goodness!
Look at that crack.
I think something is inside, pushing. Look at the water! It is so big! Tom, wait for us! Hurry, hurry, I want to swim! One rule first, okay? Stay close to us. Do not go far into the water. Okay, Mom. Can we go now?
Come on, everyone. Let's go have fun.
Take that! Hey, no fair!
Whoa, big one!
I jumped higher than you, Dad!
No way. Let's see who can jump the next wave.
Dad, you fell down!
That wave was too strong for me.
That was the best fall ever! Are you okay?
I wanted to sit down, just for fun.
This water is amazing!
Ready for some fun?
Yeah, watch me jump!
Whoa, gotcha!
This is perfect. Splash fight. Yeah! Watch me swim to the rock and back. I want to try too!
I will race you there, Tom.
That was so much fun! Best family day ever.
Who wants to play?
Me! Me! Throw it to me first. Your turn. Got it! I got it! Great catch, Tom.
Throw it here! Whoa, whoa!
Dad fell down again. 2 falls in one day.
I was just checking the sand.
Look, a shiny shell. Let me see. Oh, that is a beautiful one. I am going to find more. Whoa! What is that? It is an egg! This is the best thing I ever found! Who left it here? Is it lost? I cannot leave it alone. I will keep it safe. You will be safe with me.
Watch this, Tom.
Whoa! Dad is surfing! Dad is really surfing! Go, Dad, go! That was amazing! Can I try?
Come here. Let's ride one together.
We are surfing! We are really surfing! That was the best thing ever!
My little surfer.
Let's build the biggest castle on this beach. I will make the tower. Now it needs decorations.
Wow. Now that is a real castle.
It needs a flag on top. This is the best day ever! What a wonderful day this was.
I think I still have sand in my shoes.
You will have sand in your shoes for a week, Dad. I have the bag, Mom.
Thank you, Tom. You are very helpful today.
I am being extra careful.
Today was really fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, especially the part when Dad took me on the surfboard.
That was so great to see. Tom, what is this? Is this an egg?
I found it at the beach. I did not want to leave it there.
Where exactly did you find it?
Near a small rock, close to the sand.
It looks a little strange. Not like a chicken egg. Tom, we should not keep things we do not understand.
It could be something dangerous.
Please, Mom, can we just look at it a little first?
Yeah, Mom. What if it is something special?
Let's watch it for a few days.
All right. But we watch it carefully.
I think it is a snake egg. A snake? In our house?
Or maybe it is a baby dragon.
A dragon! That would be amazing!
I do not think it is a dragon's egg.
You never know.
I think it is something amazing. I can feel it. You always think everything is amazing, Tom.
Well, whatever it is, we will find out soon.
Tom, look! What? It is moving! It is cracking! Mom! Dad! Come quick! It is happening!
Oh my goodness!
Look at that crack.
I think something is inside, pushing.
It is a turtle! A baby turtle!
A real baby sea turtle!
He is so little! Look at his tiny flippers!
So adorable.
I think it is saying hello.
Welcome to the family, little one.
I will call him Splash.
Splash is a perfect name.
I will build his swimming pool.
I will make him a soft, sandy spot to rest. I will find out what baby turtles like to eat.
And I will be his best friend.
Here you go, Splash. Eat up.
Look how fast he swims already.
He swims very well already.
I think he is the happiest turtle in the world. Hi, little turtle. You're so cute. That tickles. Whee! Go on the slide. Yay! Good job, turtle.
Tom, we need to talk about Splash.
Is something wrong with him?
No, he is healthy and strong. That is why we need to talk.
Splash needs to live in the ocean, Tom. He needs to be with his own family.
But we are his family now.
We love him too, Tom. But a pool is not the ocean.
He will grow strong and free in the sea.
I do not want to say goodbye.
His ocean family is waiting for him, Tom.
They miss him. They want him to come home.
Okay. We should take him back. I want him to be happy. I am a little sad, but that is okay.
That is a very kind thing to say, Tom.
Hello. Is that a baby sea turtle in there?
Yes. We want to bring him back to the sea.
May I take a look? You took very good care of him.
He looks strong and healthy.
I fed him every day.
That made a big difference. Thank you. Let me show you how to put him back safely.
What do we do?
Place him near the water. Let him walk in by himself. He needs to find his own way. It helps him remember this biche. That makes sense. Thank you for helping us.
This is it, Splash.
Goodbye, Splash. I will always remember you. I think he is saying thank you.
Goodbye, little friend.
Have a wonderful life, Splash.
Bye, Splash. Swim far. We did not keep him.
No, we did not. But we gave him the best chance at a good life.
And I bet somewhere out there, he remembers us too.
That was a good adventure.
Yes, my best beach day ever. Even better than finding the egg,
Why is that?
because now Splash is free. Free is good for him.
That is a very good thing to learn, Tom.